Let's go see what our trees in the front are doing. Got some candles going in case we lose power, because it already happened. Look at the candle flickering. That is from the wind outside my house. Yikes, I need to do some weather stripping. We had over 70-mile-an-hour winds that day. We had a whole lot of destruction, people without power for 3 days. There was one death. A tree fell on a doctor who worked at the children's hospital, and just tons of destruction, trees falling all over on houses and cars, and it was a crazy mess that day. Broke the last time we had a bad storm. Oh, I hear sirens in the background. We had an attempted break-in next door. They were nice enough to leave their card for us. I did call Crime Check, but I didn't leave a message. It was the day of the storm, and I didn't want to bother them. They also got into our crawl space. I didn't go down there and check it out because it's creepy and gross down there. Hopefully they didn't live down there or sleep down there. It's awful. Hopefully they didn't leave a body down there. So our museum is doing something really, really cool. They have opened it up for individuals. You can reserve your time for your household. So my husband and I are here at the museum all by ourselves. And it is awesome because we haven't been able to get out or do anything with entertainment for a long time. So I'm very excited to have this opportunity.